Beat the speed trap game. Uniden R7 radar sniffs cops from miles away. Like a legal superpower. If you've ever had your heart drop at the sight of flashing lights in the rearview, the Uniden R7 Extreme Long Range Radar Detector is your new co-pilot. With dual antennas, 360 degrees directional alerts, and industry-smashing range, this beast doesn't just warn you, it reads the room before the room even loads. It's got built-in GPS, voice notifications, and false alert filtering, so you're not just detecting radar, you're dodging drama. Whether you're a road warrior or a Sunday cruiser with a heavy foot, the R7 is like your sixth sense, but way cooler and techier. What sets the Uniden R7 miles ahead of its overpriced, underwhelming competitors? That mind-blowing sensitivity paired with advanced K/Ka band filtering. It doesn't cry wolf every time you pass a supermarket door. Instead, it learns your route, remembers those false alerts, and keeps your ears clear for the real threats, speed traps, red light cameras, and the occasional oh no moment. And yes, it's updateable for life, with free firmware and database refreshes to keep you sharper than ever. Other detectors guess. The R7 knows. And knowing is half the ticket-avoiding battle. Think of this radar detector as a street-smart AI that sees what you can't and says what you need to hear. The voice notifications are clear and accurate, telling you exactly what's lurking ahead, whether it's a red light camera or that sneaky Ka-band radar cruiser. The multicolor OLED display is large, customizable, and bright enough to make Las Vegas jealous. Display up to 4 radar signals at once, complete with directional arrows, signal strength, and radar band ID. This isn't just a radar detector, it's a situational awareness system with style. Here's the money-saver kicker: one ticket can cost you more than this entire unit. Add in the wasted time in court, the stress, and the hike in your insurance rate, and suddenly, the Uniden R7 pays for itself faster than you can say license and registration. With quiet ride mode, speed-based auto-mute, and adjustable sensitivity, it's fully customizable to your driving habits. Whether you're flying down the freeway or crawling through city lights, this device adapts and performs. Tech tested. Driver approved. Ticket proofed. Built like a tank but smarter than your ex's excuses, the Uniden R7 isn't just durable, it's damn near unflinching. Rugged on the outside and ultra-refined inside, it's one of the most reliable detectors ever made. It's trusted by speed demons, long haulers, and daily commuters alike. It's not about driving recklessly, it's about driving aware, armed, and ahead of the curve. So go ahead, take the wheel with confidence. The R7's got your 6, and every other direction too.